we got a fun delivered party box. Right here. It's huge and it's super heavy. And I'm excited. It's a lot. I love these boxes. See if we can get into it. Yeah, it's full. It's completely full. Lots of stuff. It is full to the top and it's heavy. So, we're gonna see what's in here. Maybe. Got our fun deliver card. Very nice. Okay. Oh, something with gummies. It's the first thing. Can't see. It's all blacked out. We have got some first day rapid hydration electrolyte support. Lemon lime flavor. It's good till January of 2028. That's good. A super, super tiny package. Again, can't see anything. What do we got here? We have got some, I don't know. They're little, what are they? Like, I want to say like where you put like cufflinks. It's little, there's 4 of them. They're like little flowers. I don't know. I think that's what they are. They have little hooks or something with them too. I don't know. Interesting. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so many packages in here. But yeah, completely blacked out. This, oh, I got the bag. These are little, I don't know what, okay. These are a bunch of little characters and little park benches that come with them. Like there's a ton of them. There's a whole bunch. It doesn't say what it is. Interesting. What is this? Sometimes if you turn it the right way, you can see. And sometimes not. This feels like a book. It is a book. It is, it's all sealed. It says 1 minute with God for men. 365 daily devotions. Okay. Hmm. Something's making noise in here. Shouldn't have done it that way. This way is better. Oh, some sort of lights. Some LED lights with remote. Go ahead, jingles. Let's see. Oh, it's got a star too. Lights and a star and a remote. Let's see. Let's see. Find a spot that I'm not gonna get something. So I would have to say probably, I mean, Fun Delivered is by far one of my favorites, if not my favorite. What are your guys' favorites? Okay. I know a lot of people say Fun Delivered is. A lot of people like butt boxes. Those are good. This is just a little shirt, like a tunic. I don't see a brand. Very light. It is a size 2X. I don't feel that's a 2X. Could be wrong. Oh, let's keep that. I just hit myself in the head.